Hello friends, myself Sahil and I am going to today talk about cell. As a world needs a brick to complete itself, the human needs a cell to complete itself. We can define a cell as a structural and functional unit of life. Structural because it gives a structure to a human being like a brick, many bricks give structure to a wall, and functional because it does many functions such as respiration, digestion, etc. Now, it is also called unit because the wall has a unit. The smallest unit of wall is a brick. Like humans, the smallest unit of human is a cell. Now we can know about parts of cell in the next page. So some of the parts of cell are given. So let us know about nucleus. Actually, the nucleus nucleus controls the activities of a cell. It contains heredity information, and it can also be called the principle of a cell. And mitochondria. Mitochondria is actually the powerhouse of the cell. It's It has a name in the book Powerhouse of a Cell, not the nucleus. I have named it principle, and mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell as it helps in making energy for the cell. The energy currency is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Is the full form of ATP. Then we can go to know about vacuoles. Vacuoles are bubble-like structures in a cell which contains waste of the cell. It also helps in maintaining the acidity pH level of the cell. Now we can go to know about cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance in the cell. It supports all the other organelles of the cell. Now we can know about cell membrane. You can see that the cell membrane covers the cell, it encloses the cell and acts like a barrier for fighting various toxic substances like bacteria, viruses, etc. If they are strong enough, they can cross the cell membrane. So we have knew about the parts of the cell, and if you like it, you comment me. You can comment me to make a video on plant cell. I will talk about them. Thank you. Jai Hind.